This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix missed call notification not working or showing on your iPhone problem. So if you receive missed call but you don't see the missed call notification, just follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is enable missed call alert. To do that, go to settings, scroll down and tap on phone. Tap on notifications. Enable allow notification and make sure to enable these three options: lock screen, notification center and banners. Then tap on show previewers and select always, and then check the issue. And after doing it, you should receive missed call alerts notification. And the second solution is if you turn on do not disturb mode, silent mode or low battery power mode, then you have to disable these. To do that, open your control center, tap on focus, disable do not disturb mode. If your iPhone has a physical silent button, make sure to disable silent mode. Then go to settings, tap on battery. If you enabled low power mode, disable it and then check the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.